Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a QR code for your Google form. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, we have the Google form that I created. You can go ahead and create your own Google form. Once you have the Google form set up and ready to go, what you can do is go to the top right where it says Send. You'll see this window pop up, and what we want to do is click this link tab right here. Then we want to come over and click on where it says Shorten URL. Then go ahead and click on where it says Copy URL. We're going to need this to generate our QR code. For this, I'm going to use the free QR code generator by Adobe Express. It's completely free to use and you don't need any credit card or anything like that. We can go ahead and click on where it says Start Now. This is going to take us to the Generate QR code page. From here, we can go ahead and enter that link that we just copied like so. If you want to go ahead and download, you can just click on where it says Download right here. You can also change the style of the QR code as well. If you want to make the style a little bit different, you can also add colors to the QR code. You can also change the file format for which you download, so you can download it as a PNG, as a JPEG, or as an SVG. If you don't want to download it, you can just right-click and copy the image address, or you can also save the image from here as well. So that's basically how you can create a QR code for your Google form. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.